Y'all, hope y'all having a good day. Having a great day. It has been, I don't know, probably like 2-3 weeks since I've got on here and did a video. So I just wanted to get back on here and do another video and just kind of show y'all what I did for today. It's probably been 3 weeks now that I think about it. Past 3 weeks have kind of been a little bit up and down for me. The first week that I think I didn't post a video for the week, I think I ended up, it was like a negative, I don't know, negative 5,000. And then last week I ended up right at 3,000. I made it in profit. And so far today, I made $300. Well, I lost 20 yesterday, made like 320 today. So $300 I'm up right now. So we're gonna see how the rest of the week goes. But I wanted to just get on here and do a quick video just showing y'all how I made this $320 and just kind of take y'all through the process. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see here. Alrighty, so I started the day off in Tesla. And let me see, yeah. Started the day off in Tesla, as y'all can see here. Tesla dropped, had a pretty big drop, real, big red candle right here. So I wanted to wait until that 5-minute candle kind of closed to see, what I thought that it would do. 'Cause sometimes I know, like Tesla, when it's choppy, you could have this big red candle here, and then all of a sudden this big green, it'll go back up here. So I wanted to just make sure that wasn't gonna happen. And so I waited for the next candle. As you can see, it's a doji. So it still was kind of, that means it's indecisive here. And so I said, well, let me just wait and see what this candle, how it closes, and then I'll decide on what I'm gonna do after that. So then I waited, and then the next candle came, and I saw it started to come down here. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and get in, ride this bad boy down. Y'all can see I have a little area here where I thought that maybe it would come down to. So I got in maybe around here, and as you can see, it came down, closed here. Then it opened here, and then this next candle kind of scared me, but I saw kind of the way it was looking at the time, and it was kind of like, if y'all look way over here, you can kind of see it. I saw how it was looking, like the green, my EMA here was still kind of coming down. My VWAP was looking kind of strong. I wanted to see if it was gonna come back up to my VWAP level, and it didn't. So I thought that, okay, this thing could still possibly coming down. So then the next candle came, and I saw it was red. So I was happy about that. I was thinking, okay, yeah, this thing might come down. The last thing I was thinking, I was like, man, if it can break through this this 200 EMA, this red line here, I was like, we could possibly keep going down to the downside. And sure enough, we did. So I actually got out when this touched this little area here. I got out a little bit after it touched, and y'all can see kind of down here, I ended up making $490 off of that move. So that was a pretty good move. But while I was in that move, I decided to hop into another move or another play, and that was Neo, because I noticed that Neo was starting to go up. So I was like, okay, and this is how it was looking when I got in. So I saw these two green candles over here, and I thought, okay, man, the way Neo ripped yesterday, if y'all didn't see it yesterday, it ripped. So I was like, man, I think Neo might continue going up to the upside. And so I actually got in somewhere up here, right? And then as y'all can see, the next candle, well, I'll just go over. You can see the next few candles ended up coming down, and so I was still in the play when it came here. It came down, I still in. It came down here, I was still in. Came down here, When it got to about here, when I saw it approaching the VWAP, I thought, man, this thing might continue going down, and so I just got out. I knew I was gonna probably get out with a loss at that point. So, and as y'all can see, I lost $880 on that play. So, where I thought it was gonna continue going up, it actually reversed on me and kept going down. So that was kind of a bummer of a play, but sometimes it goes like that. You can't win them all, and you just got to know that it's gonna happen, and just hopefully you can get out quick enough. Wish I would have got out a little bit sooner than this, so I wouldn't have took that big of a loss there. But anyway, that's kind of the way it went. So after I got into Neo, and I had the $880 loss, and I had just won the 490 in Tesla. I was like, okay, I was down about $300, so I was like, I gotta get that back, So had a little bit more money to play with. I ended up getting into, I believe, QQQ. Well, I got into QQQ later. I got into AMC. Yeah, I got into AMC. I made $60 on that. I'm not gonna really talk about it. It wasn't really that big of a deal. I made $60 on that. I think I had a call. Oh no, I had a put. I think I had a put. Made some money. $60 on that. Did I get in the spot? I got in the spot. Made $10 on that. Y'all can see this. So this is kind of a rough day of trading for me. I really I didn't really like the way I traded today, but anyway, the last two plays I ended up getting into. So I got in the spot AMC, and I made like, I guess, $70 on those two. So I'm still down about $200 or something like that, around there. So last two plays I got into was AMD and QQQ, and so AMD ended up being a nice winner for me today. I'll kind of talk about AMD a little bit. So when I got into AMD, I got in after my EMAs crossed, right? So I got in actually right on this candle here. Got on this candle, and my EMAs had just crossed, which is one of my, it's one of my strategies. And so they just crossed, so I'm thinking, oh man, this thing's gonna keep going up. Well, y'all see what happened. It ended up coming back down. Next candle came back down. This one didn't know what it wanted to do. This one also didn't know what it wanted to do. Then I saw this one here, and this kind of scared me out of the play. This thing shot up way up here, right? And as y'all can see, there is some sort of a resistance in this area here, because every time it's gotten to around this point, it's been pushed down. Even here, just in this general area here, there's some sort of a resistance here. So this thing opened up here, shot all the way up here, bam. Then it hit that resistance, and then it got pushed down, like bam. And I was like, oh no. So at this point, I didn't see those three big greens. It was kind of like that, like this, right? And it didn't have this little green piece here. So I was thinking, oh man, this thing might actually turn around. The green might actually come back and turn and go underneath this yellow. Well, I was blessed. Well, it didn't happen. So we get this big green here, and when I seen it break past this area of resistance, I thought, okay, well now this thing has some room to the upside to keep going. And so I stayed in. I rode this big green here. I think I ended up riding through this red candle, and I think I got out on this red candle here. And so as y'all can see, the total that I made at AMD was $620. At the same time, I was also in a QQQ play. I was in QQQ play. I was in a call. Looking at it now, I wish I would have stayed in it a little bit longer, because it looked like it's going to break through this resistance level. But I ended up getting out on this candle here. Well, I got in. Let's see. I got in on this red candle here. I thought it was going to continue going up, because when I got in like up here somewhere. then it went down, closed down here, opened up here, went up, came back, and then I ended up getting out around, I think around in this candlestick, because I just thought it might start reversing on me. I don't know. I think mentally I just was kind of tapped out at that point. So I said, man, I'm just gonna take whatever win that I got, and I'm just gonna call it a day, man. So I ended up making $24 in that for a total of $324. So that was my win for the day. This, like I said, this was a really weird trading day for me, where I did make some decent money. I got into the Neo play, kind of really hurt me today, but thankfully I was able to kind of get it back and make a little profit on top of it. So that's kind of where we are today, y'all. So I do apologize for not making any more videos for the past 3 weeks. Just kind of been focused on what I've been doing in my regular life, but I do want to get back consistent in posting these videos, just to show y'all kind of what I'm doing and how I'm making, some okay money right now, and y'all can kind of follow me on this journey and see how I can grow. And I can't wait to grow this thing, man. And when I'm making 5 figures a day, I can't wait for that day to come. But anyway, I'll take what I can right now, and I'm good. That's it, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to the next video. I'll see y'all later. Peace.